यार दिवाली सीजन इज ऑलमोस्ट हियर। फिर से साफ सफाई, दिवाली नाइट पार्टी की तैयारी। Impressing your house guests is a humongous task. So that's why we are diving into the ultimate guide for decluttering and organizing your home. But before we get into organizing, let me give you 3 super important tips to get started. The first step is to recognize the messiest room in your house. It could be the kitchen, the balcony, or the kids' room. If you start by focusing on one area, you'll get the confidence to conquer your entire house. So we'll need to allocate specific chunks of time, set a timer, and dedicate ourselves to organize a particular area of the house. Lastly, nostalgia ko chhod do yaar. Treat it like a ninja mission. Strategic, focused, and time-based. So you'll have to throw out what's not been used for more than 5 years. Now we can dive into the specific tips for kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and your living room. Start by decluttering your countertops, cleaning drawers, and cabinets. An organized kitchen awaits just for you. Invest in elegant jars, canisters, and kitchen organizers that make it easy to organize and at the same time look really pretty. And you can add this flair to functionality by incorporating decorative elements like woven baskets, tableware, or vintage utensils. So even if there are a lot, they won't feel ugly. अभी जल्दी से मैं आपको बताती हूँ how to style your favorite bedroom. Start by laying down your belongings, identify what to keep and discard the rest. Once the excess is gone, cleaning should be super easy. Now I'm sure you also must be facing this कि drawers ही बंद नहीं हो रहे. So use dividers ना. Whether for socks, makeup or accessories, dividers maintain order and enhance your bedroom's look. Lastly, when it comes to the bedroom, less is more. So you can elevate your bedroom's organization by minimizing the decor. Now moving on to the bathroom. And as you must have guessed it, decluttering your bathroom starts with discarding all of those empty shampoo and conditioner bottles. Why do you still have them? Open the cabinets and drawers and ask yourself, क्या मुझे इसकी सच में जरूरत है? If not, then donate or recycle. Next, for the bathroom, add decorative elements like bathroom organizers or hampers. These stylish additions infuse charm in your space. सब तो हो गया, पर मेन तो लिविंग रूम ही है. पार्टीज तो वहीं पे होंगी ना. So let me give you 3 tips for the living room. Get rid of the unnecessary dust surfaces, vacuum, and donate or recycle old items. You don't need that clutter in the living room. Then you can organize the items by type and get rid of the duplicates. कब तक मैगजीन स्टैक करते रहोगे यार? Create a designated space for everything. A basket for toys, a shelf for books and magazines, and a drawer for everything else. That was the Livspace ultimate guide to declutter and organize every corner of your home. I hope these tips inspire you to transform your home into a clutter-free sanctuary. The key is to start small and stay consistent. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with as many friends as you can who you are planning to invite to your Diwali party.